amigos, here is Odile from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm going to bring you to this beautiful spot in the middle of the center of Sosua. And what do I have for you? A ground level apartment with not one but 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and this gorgeous pool to chill. It's close to the beach, close to nightlife, but you can sleep in because it's very quiet as well. It has the best of both worlds. Come and take a look. In the center of Sosua, a 2-bedroom apartment. Where do you find that brand new, gorgeous pool? This is the place where if you want to rent out, you get an amazing ROI. If I'm mentioning the price, it will be sold already. So you better check that link below and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with all of your amigos. Hope to see you soon in the Dominican Republic. Bye.